So these are the boats we actually learned to sail on. Might have been this one. It's a Sailings. And yeah, we learned here at the Armadale Yacht Club. We took 5 crash course lessons. There'd be 6 people on this boat. Hard to believe. And yeah, that's how we first learned to steer a boat with the wind. Can't say we learned a ton, but we got the basics. Alright, so we're doing some patches. I've got a major, this rip wasn't this big. There was a big rip here, there's a big rip over here. There's a couple little rips here. So I'm going to put a giant patch, and I'm going to start by putting a patch on the inside. And we're going to do a whole big patch on the inside and then do another patch on the outside. So we're going to stuff that in there, glue it, patch it in, and then do another piece on the outside. Now that I did the inside patches, I'm going to fill it up with air and see if it holds, or if I've missed any other leaks, and then if I found any other leaks, I'll have to deal with those too. It's 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're on a boat.
Nice to be.
I don't know what I'm saying here. I just thought it was nice outside and sunny, and I thought, gosh, this never happens, so I figured I'd record it. And
yeah, Canada Day weekend.
Yeah.
For all you Canadians that are watching, all 3 of you.
There's more than 3.
I know, that was an arbitrary number.
Look what else is happening. Refrigeration. Cold beverages.
Sometimes people are awesome, and one of those people is Robert Garber. He set up a Petco Eco Cooler. He heard us mention we wanted to add refrigeration to our boat. He had seen it on Sailing Uma, and he bought one to test it out. He decided he was going to stick with his original refrigeration unit, so he was kind enough to send it to us. So thanks again, Robert. You're awesome. Apparently this can cool seawater, can cool it down 25 degrees. So it should be good if it worked for Uma in the Caribbean. It should be nice and chilly here in...
Not the Caribbean.
In not the Caribbean, yeah. Katie, the drill queen. So we're back working on the dinghy. I found some more pinholes. I marked them here. There's a little X here, a little X here, a little X here, and there's one right here. So I'm cutting out some patch material, and we're going to sand, and glue. Good on small patches if you're really careful, but something a little bigger, I'm going to use some 60 grit and an orbital. It's Steamin' Lee. He doesn't know it. but he's on the vlog right now. Look at this beautiful, sleek sailing vessel. Holy moly. So with our mooring out of service, it's been a really nice excuse to go around and visit some of the other yacht clubs. We've been to the Bedford Yacht Club, Dartmouth Yacht Club, and Armdale Yacht Club. The next day, we took our friends out to go see the fireworks. It's the Canada Day fireworks. I believe there is literally no better way to see the fireworks than on a boat. You can get so close that you can literally feel the explosions, and you can hear them echoing off the buildings all around. Alright, so we spent a night at De Wolf Park, and it was a much different event than the last time. Number one, we could sit perfectly without banging our heads. Nobody boarded the boat in the middle of the night. No kids jumped on our boat, so that was nice. If they did, I was planning the old deck light blast and they'd run off. And it's we docked easily, and there's Katie and O sailing. Last night the fridge was acting up. I heard it change sounds for the pump, and now you can see I think what happened is it sucked in some goop. So that's what I picked out of the strainer, some sort of gooey sea gel. So after realizing there was a bunch of grass and crap in the filter for the cooler, it sucks from the raw water intake, so I thought I'd check the raw water. So I pulled the filter out of there, out of here, and this is what it looks like. It's chock filled with grass. This is what was stuck in our filter.
Ew. Seaweed? You put it in Goo's bowl?
It's no.
There's an extra.
There's an
okay.
extra one.
Gross.
That's why the fridge stopped working. So after our overnight stay at De Wolf Park, we headed back to Dartmouth Yacht Club, and on our way back home, we noticed this. It looks like a baby Tyrannosaurus Rex. We were really curious,
like the eye
so we went in to investigate.
And then like the tail back there.
Maybe
It looks like a horse too.
I don't know.
What do you guys think it is?
I don't even know. Like maybe it's just like weird looking stick.
It has to be something.
I know,
It does
right?
look like.
It's definitely dead. Whatever it is. We asked around the club, and it turns out it's a pilot whale. It had washed up sometime after a storm. And let me tell you, it smells really bad. Really, really bad. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Next week, we'll be getting our mooring sorted out and getting the ring-a-dinger. We'll be getting the dinghy finalized, and maybe we'll even get it out for a run. But I don't even know, because it hasn't happened yet.